Good morning, dear children. Welcome to this social studies class. Today, let's discuss the rest of the topics in the lesson agriculture. So, in my previous module, I have explained the different types of crops grown in our country as well as the modernization of agriculture. In this module, I'm going to explain the meaning of agriculture. The word agriculture is the English adaptation of the Latin word agricultura. Agar means field and cultura means cultivation. In the strict sense, agricultura means tillage of the soil. And the agriculture has been developed at least 10,000 years ago. So if it dates back about the agriculture, yes, it has been developed before 10,000 years ago. And it has undergone significant development since the time of the earliest cultivation. That is, several changes has been happened to this agricultural sector also. And agriculture is also an economic activity. And all these economic activities has been categorized mainly under three sectors. Which are they? Yes, primary sector, secondary sector and the tertiary sector. Here, primary sector, we can see what all the activities comes under the primary sector. That is, all activities connected with extraction and the production of natural resources can be classified under primary activities. For example, agriculture, fishing, poultry farming and mining are the various examples of primary activities. Then what about the secondary activities? All activities connected with the manufacturing of goods with natural resources can be classified under secondary activities. Then what about the tertiary activities? Here, what all the supporting services needed for the both sectors, primary as well as the secondary sector, comes under the tertiary sectors. So here for example it is given as transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising. So children, see all these, yes, services are needed for the promotion of primary as well as the secondary sectors. So these are the activities which comes under three sectors. Here we can see the different types of crops has been grown. Which are they? The first one is paddy fields. Isn't it? That is, yes, in this paddy fields it's rice are grown. Next we can see the apple orchard. Here we can see more apples in these trees. The next is sunflower farm, brinjal farm and next one is rearing of livestock. So these are the various activities which comes under the agriculture. So rearing of livestock means, yes, that is, we know that which are the different types of this domestic animals grown Yes, that is rearing of cows, sheep, buffaloes, isn't it? What all the, yes, what all the animals we can rear, that all comes under this rearing of livestock. Next one is about the factors, requisite factors which are responsible for the growth of agricultural activities. Which are they? Please, children, please think about that. Which are the factors needed for the growth of the crops? Yes, soil is required. And what is that? What about the climate? Yes, good climate is required for the growth of crops. And especially our Indian agriculture depends upon the monsoons. So here the arable land means all the lands on which crops are grown. If the land is capable to produce some type of crops, we can call such lands as arable lands. And here we can see that here the arable land of the earth's 57.5 million square miles of land, approximately 7.65 million square miles are arable. So here we can see that yes, the arable lands come 7.65 million square miles. So that much vast areas, yes, comes under this arable land. And this arable land is currently being lost. Why? Children, what's the reason behind this? Please think about that. What may be the reason behind this lossage of all this arable land? Yes, it is. The only reason is due to the deforestation. Because of, what is meant by deforestation, children? Yes, cutting of trees. More cutting of trees actually loses the natural habitat. And what happens to that? Yes, instead of the crops being grown, yes, huge buildings, the construction of huge buildings has been constructed in that place. So that's the reason for the, yes, what? Yes, losing this arable land also. So children, I hope this session related to the explanation of the meaning of agriculture as well as the factors responsible for the growth of agriculture is almost precise for you. So thank you children for watching this video.